Hello, good afternoon. So good to have you here with us today at the Umwelt Arena in Zurich. This place is pretty incredible, and we're here today for a very special reason, the world premiere of the Škoda Epiq. And I don't think we could have chosen a better space. You'll hear more about the building in just a second, but in the meantime, take a quick look around. Now, you might be wondering how we pulled all of this off. Well, here's a little time-lapse video of the magic behind the scenes. Wow, so much has already happened here. All right, so Tom, welcome.
Welcome, Jen.
Thank you.
Wonderful to be here with you on stage. But first things first. Welcome to all the guests who are joining us today. Here in Zurich, in Switzerland, in the Umwelt Arena, which means environmental arena.
So why the Umwelt? Why this place?
This is a CO2 neutral place, and I tell you why. Did you see it from outside?
I did. I took a couple photos, actually.
So you see the rooftop, which is not a rooftop, it's a solar panel. The whole roof is a solar panel, one of the largest I ever saw. And maybe it's not a surprise, it fits to the car that we will see today because it's an electric car.
That's amazing. Thank you, Tom. So what do we have in store for you today? Well, let me show you. First, we'll start off with a sketch session where you'll get to meet some of the designers and see some of the creative process behind the Epiq. Then, of course, the big moment, the Epiq World Premiere itself. And yes, of course, Play-Doh! Lots and lots of Play-Doh. You'll see what I mean later. Guys, anybody want to join? Yes, come on! We set up different stages and activations throughout the space, each telling a different part of the Epiq journey. Then we'll head over to the tech corner, where you'll get the inside scoop on what makes this car tick. Let's head over there right now. I'm here with Johannes Neft, Head of Technical Development. Thanks for joining us today.
My pleasure.
So, Epiq, what makes this one different?
This is our first EV project made as a collaboration across the Volkswagen brand group core.
What is that?
We call it the electric urban car family. Volkswagen, Cupra and Škoda working closely together to develop electric vehicles that make electromobility more accessible to even more customers.
Wow, so that's a real first for this group then.
It is, and the Epiq has a lot of firsts actually.
Like what?
It's the first car to fully implement our modern solid design language, inside and out, but it's also the first purpose-built front-wheel drive Škoda EV.
Front-wheel drive, that's a pretty big shift, right?
Exactly. This new EV layout, it posed some technical challenges in development, sure, but it brings a lot of real-life advantages for the people who will be driving it.
Can you give us some examples?
Well, thanks to the layout, the Epiq can be shorter than its combustion engine counterpart, the Kamiq, and yet it offers almost 20% more luggage space.
So it's both shorter and has more space.
Yes, exactly. It's big on what matters.
That's a perfect bottom line. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, enough talking. Let's see the Epiq in action. And now I'm joined by Martin Jan. Great to see you.
It's great to be here.
So, Switzerland. Why does this feel like the perfect place for the premiere?
For two reasons. First of all, we are a long-standing partner of the World Ice Hockey Championship. It takes place in Switzerland, so we use this opportunity.
Cool.
And also recently, Škoda has been very successful on the Swiss market. We are on the top 3 most sold brands here, and also #1 electric brand.
Wow, that's very impressive.
And we hope that after we introduce Epiq and later on Peak, we will have a quite broad electric portfolio, and we will make even more customers happy with our electric cars.
Yeah, I have no doubt about that. So the Epiq campaign, it's colorful, it's bold, it's different. What's the story there?
Our main principle is human touch, so we wanted to remind also adults that they can play, and we wanted to do a campaign that's different and that is playful, and I hope we did a good job.
I think you definitely did. I was fortunate enough to drive the car with the Play-Doh camouflage wrap in Porto, and I saw you have the same car outside.
Yeah, it's a very cool car, and we started this whole campaign in Porto. Then we went to Milan Design Week, where our That's Epiq exhibition won the best prize for Milan Design Week. And finally, we are here for the World launch.
Nice, congratulations.
Thank you.
It really ties it all together.
Absolutely.
Speaking of Milan, let's check out that exhibit Martin was just talking about.
Epiq begins with a simple thought, looking at the world with curiosity. In my work, I'm always exploring the space between the digital and the physical, where imagination slowly becomes something real. For Milan Design Week, the challenge was to translate this visual universe into a real installation. A place that reflects a Škoda spirit, a playful, inventive, and open to everyone.
Tom!
Jan, you again.
Me again?
You are still talking.
I have a lot to say.
But it's time now.
It's time right now.
It's time. The show is going to start now.
Okay, all right, folks. This is the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to get epic. Tom, come on.
Yeah.
Modern Solid works with simplification. We removed all unnecessary lines, so the essential ones can stand out. Clear surfaces, strong proportions, a Škoda identity in every detail.
In digital, we define every break and every edge. Modern Solid is about precision. Each detail must work aesthetically and technologically.
Interior is clean with very nice architecture, where essential physical buttons complement a clean, intuitive touchscreen for immediately understandable experience.
Warm, human, yet durable materials combined with a robust overall appearance create welcoming space that stays harmonious and functional for years.
With Epiq, we focused on clarity, simplicity, and purpose. Every line has a reason.
Epiq is modern solids in its cleanest way. And now it's the time to see it.
A tisket, a tasket, a brown and yellow basket. I send a letter to my mommy. On the way I dropped it, I dropped it, I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girlie picked it up and put it in her pocket. She was trucking on down the avenue, not a single thing to do. She went peck, peck, pecking all around. When she spied it on the ground, just a little yellow basket.
That's epic. The all-new electric Škoda Epiq.
Please welcome Jen Kirk and Klaus Zellmer.
Hello, welcome everyone. Good afternoon. This is the moment that we've been building towards. You've seen the world surrounding the Epiq, the design, the creativity, and the technology. Now it's time to finally meet the car itself and the team. Hi, Klaus.
Hey, Jen, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
And good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Epiq stage setting, reflecting the fun, colorful character of our all-new urban SUV crossover. The Epiq is unmistakably Škoda. Compact, clever, and confident.
And colorful.
Totally.
Klaus, I see you've already taken a spin on the plaza. Well, it does look great here. What else can you tell us?
Well, it's our first serious model to fully adopt the modern solid design language, and it sets a new benchmark for an entry-level electric model at Škoda. A benchmark with clean lines, generous interior space, including 475 liters of trunk space, safety systems from higher segments, and real everyday value. Starting at around 26,000 euros, it brings electric mobility to a broader audience.
Exactly. It's about making EV adoption feel natural and affordable for, well, everyday customers.
Totally, Jen. And ladies and gentlemen, this car shows what happens when design, technology, and passion come together. Simple to live with, easy to use, and fun to drive.
Agreed. And I think I know some others who might want to join us. Please welcome Martin Jan, Head of Sales and Marketing, and Johannes Neft, Head of Technical Development. Hi, Martin. Hi, Johannes. So, Martin, the Epiq. Why is it so important right now?
Now it's all about the small SUV segment. This is where the mobility is changing fastest. It's urban, it's compact, and it's electric. And customers want an entry into electric mobility that feels normal, not experimental. And this segment is about volume, and it's about making electric to feel convenient.
Speaking of what feels normal, how do you think everyday customers will react to the Epiq?
Well, of course, they will love it because it's a great and cool car. And they will see a Škoda that they recognize. They will appreciate design, size, space, and the affordability. And Epiq makes the electric mobility very affordable and easier to reach. That's what many customers are waiting for. And they will feel that this car was made for their everyday life.
And Johannes, from the engineering side, what do you think stands out most about the Epiq?
Clarity. Nothing is overdone. Every element has a reason, from the design language to the interior to the digital features.
So what about the interior? What do you think customers will notice when they first enter the car?
Just give the camera the chance to have a look inside. And then the first thing which you will notice is everything has its place. The interior is open and calm. Controls are intuitive, digital where it helps, not where it distracts. Epiq is designed to make daily use easy.
And give us more data or more facts about the technology inside, Johannes.
Yeah, we have a very efficient electric performance, easy to drive, perfect maneuverability, smart connectivity, and all the safety features people expect from a Škoda.
Well, thank you so much, Johannes. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you, Martin, Johannes. Join me at the bar.
They're going to go for a drink at the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, the Epiq will bring even more people into electric mobility with confidence and with joy. At the same time, it will be part of doubling our fully electric portfolio this year, alongside the all-new Peak that will launch soon as our 7-seater flagship. I'm pleased and proud to introduce all of you here in the arena and our live stream followers to this new star of electric mobility at Škoda. Now, let me say a big thank you to our live stream audience for joining us. Bye-bye. And those of you in the arena, you're invited to come closer, see the car, and experience Epiq for yourself. Thank you very much. Come to the stage.